Hey guys! Here's the Higaspot channel. For many users of iPhone 13, it's very common for them to forget the passcode to the device. If you try to enter incorrect passcodes into your iPhone 13 time after time, you may eventually get a warning message of iPhone unavailable or security lockout. You have 10 chances in total. If you blow all the chances, you will have to rest the device without using a passcode. Here we will show you how to do it in 3 different ways, which are Erase iPhone feature, iPhone Unlocker, and iCloud. Let's go ahead. Before starting, notice that all the data will get erased after the reset. Hopefully, you have a backup beforehand to restore the lost data. Otherwise, all the data will be lost permanently. First of all, let's have a look at the Erase iPhone feature. It is one of the most straightforward ways to reset your iPhone 13, as it neither needs a computer nor a cable to complete the task. However, there are a few points you should notice for taking this approach. Firstly, your iPhone should have a stable network connection. Secondly, your iPhone should have enough electricity to finish the reset. Lastly, you need to have your Apple ID and password in hand. Now let's see the steps in detail. First, keep entering wrong passcodes into your iPhone 13 until the iPhone unavailable screen shows up, with the Erase iPhone option in the bottom right. Tap it. Tap it again for confirmation. Then put in your Apple ID password to sign out. Tap the option to start the reset. Wait for a few minutes before it's done. When it completes, you can get into your iPhone 13 again after you finish the setup. Here comes the second way, iPhone Unlocker. It's a brilliant passcode removal tool to reset different kinds of passcodes, covering lock screen passcode, screen time passcode, and Apple ID password. In this way, you don't need to connect your iPhone to the internet and enter your Apple ID password to sign out for the reset of your iPhone. If you feel interested in this tool, you can visit this website. It's also in the description below. Here's how to reset your iPhone 13 by this means. Launch iPhone Unlocker first. You can download and install the tool on a Mac or a PC. Then select Wipe Passcode from the main menu. Hit Start on the next page. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a cable. Follow the instructions in this link to make it detected. Once it is recognized, you will need to confirm the device information. Then click Start. An iOS software relative to your iPhone 13 will start to download. When it's done, a window will pop up asking you to confirm the reset. Enter 0000 in the blank, and click Unlock to start the reset of your iPhone. Once it's over, you can see the welcome screen on the device. You can now start it from scratch. There's another way we are going to recommend for you to reset your iPhone 13, which is using Find My iPhone in iCloud. It enables you to reset your iPhone even if you don't have it nearby. And it's a good feature to help you find your lost iPhone. To utilize this feature, you'll need another device in hand, a phone, a tablet, or a computer. And your iPhone 13 should turn on the function of Find My iPhone. Moreover, like using Erase iPhone feature, you should connect your iPhone to the network and know about your Apple account details. Here we'll use an iPad to show you the steps. Open Safari first, and navigate to iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. Scroll down the page, and you will see the Find My icon on the lower left box. Click on it. Then a map will appear, showing the specific locations of all your iOS devices. Hit all devices on the top and select your iPhone 13 from the drag-down list. Select Erase iPhone from the three options. Click Erase to confirm the reset. Later the reset on your iPhone 13 will be triggered. And you can start it afresh when the reset is over. That's all for today's video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to us for more latest videos.